Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So just a quick little Sunday afternoon, Labor Day weekend kind of rant, really. I got my Aliens t-shirt on. It's number 3 in my all-time favorite movies ever. But that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is, guys with their HVAC channels talking about politics, and I don't get it. I don't see what you gain from that. And some of them, I kind of wonder how they got as many followers as they did with those kinds of videos. I know it makes people intrigued, like, hey, this guy's going to talk about this side or that side, but I don't get these guys that are, it's like almost every single video they do, they're ranting and raving about this side or that side. And that's not why you're tuning into an HVAC video, is it? It's not Fox, it's not CNN, right? It's for HVAC content. It's not for you to put a banner behind you that says F this person or F that person, right? I'm gonna have the politics that I have personally, okay? And it's not gonna be HVAC related. It never will be. And I think that these guys that do that are just foolish for doing that. They really are. Yeah, it makes for a good video. I could do that. I could do a politics channel, but it'll come back around to my business, and that's just not smart for business. I just don't understand why guys do that. And then the videos where guys are fighting their customers and showing phone calls where they're battling their customers and stuff. You know what? That's personal. That's between me and my customers. It's nothing that I need to show YouTube or the general public, because I don't want my customers going on YouTube and finding that stuff out. So this YouTube channel is completely about HVAC for the most part. I had some goofy videos when I was on vacation with my wife and stuff. But what I divulge on that is nothing political, because that just divides everybody. And I don't want to divide anybody. This is to bring everybody together in the HVAC community. So it's ridiculous that the guys do that. I know I've said it before, but why are you just gonna piss people off? I've heard of a bunch of you guys that follow my channel and others that say, hey, well, I unsubscribed from this guy because he's just getting way too crazy about his political beliefs. And I totally agree with that. It's ridiculous that anybody would do that. I have strong beliefs, but you know what? That's in here, and that's between me and my family and my friends and the people that I hang out with on a daily basis. Not for a YouTube channel that's supposed to be about HVAC. It's Seton HVAC. It's not Seton HVAC politics. So I just wanted to air my grievances on that, if I can say the word. And let you guys know that I'm going to totally support HVAC content and doing everything as it relates to HVAC, because the political stuff has no place on my channel, and it won't. If I ever steer that way, I want to be called out on it, and I will delete the video, because I don't want that stuff out there, because it's not good for anybody as it pertains to what we're trying to do here. It's a how-to learning channel. It's not a Fox News or CNN or whatever it may be. Like I said, you're never going to see a political figure poster behind me, a banner, anything. It's always going to be about HVAC. If I put anything behind me, it's going to be something pertaining to HVAC. I got Hvac stuck back there. That's all you're going to see. Or you see some of my personal signs that are cool. But I've never divulged on this channel what political affiliation I have, and I don't plan on doing that, because it doesn't really matter as it pertains to this channel. So just wanted to get that out there, and I hope you guys appreciate the content. So thanks for listening.